My first comment is that I'm very impressed by what I have seen and what I have been told so far. For ICAO, safety and efficiency are amongst the highest priorities, and I have seen demonstrated here that these are also the priorities of ENAV and of this ACC, and I was very pleased to learn that. With regard to the safety, I have noted that all working positions are exactly the same, which makes the human-machine interface the same in all sectors, which is indeed improvement of the safety level compared to a situation where a person has to change his working environment each time he changes a working position. With regard to the efficiency, I have noted the plans to engage in the functional airspace block, the so-called Blue Med project, which will include more than the Italian airspace. This is exactly what ICAO is looking for. We have been looking for that since 2004, when we had the last air navigation conference, when we decided that we should try and harmonize the airspace and we should try to make airspaces transparent, so that the pilot will not feel that he passes any boundaries at all. We have a lot of activities in order to improve the safety level in general. For example, we are here in Rome this week in order to conduct a workshop on the language proficiency requirement and the implementation before 5th of March 2011. And of course, to have the language proficiency amongst all air traffic controllers, all pilots, in order to make sure that communication is fully understandable between the air and the ground, is an improvement of the safety level. But this is just one of the many activities. In general, the overriding program is the Safety Oversight Audit Program that ICAO is conducting, and which will come to an end. So we have already in the pipeline a new program which will mean that we will, on a continuous basis, monitor the safety performance of the states. So we have a lot of activities going on in the area of aviation safety for the time being. In October 2009, we had the very first conference between civil and military aviation. And I should say this was a big success for ICAO and for the aviation in general. It was the first time that ICAO brought together representatives of the military and the civil authorities of the states. The aim was to improve the understanding of the different missions of civil aviation and military aviation, and to try and create an understanding that these two different activities with different purposes could very well be accommodated within the same airspace on the basis of a close cooperation between the authorities and between the operators. And I'm also very pleased to see in that context that civil-military cooperation has already been implemented in the Roma ACC and in the other ACCs in Italy, I understand. And I'm also pleased to hear that the flexible use of airspace concept has been fully implemented in Italy, whereby the airspace will be used for the purpose that at a given time has the highest priority.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.